Hello friends, welcome to Plants, Crochet, Cooking and more. Well, today I have a short video where I am going to show you some of my plants. So to begin, this is my peace lily which has been recently repotted in two different pots. This is the bigger plant and beside it you will see a small one because the main plant. This is the smaller one where I transplanted half of it, or 1/4 of it, I should say, because the main pot had been blown away by the wind during the recent storm. That's my marble queen pothos showing off its beauty. Look at its leaves. I just love looking at it. What a wonderful color. Beautiful. And I think this particular plant will be a pleasure for the artist to put it on paper. Just imagine the colors. That's my peperomia, which I had almost lost due to root rot, but I'm happy I could save it. See, again I'm coming back to marble queen pothos. Beautiful plant. Really, it's beautiful. Let's head on to my watermelon peperomia. It's very hot outside. Why not have some slices of watermelon? And look at my watermelon peperomia. It's just doing great. Look at its leaves. How about some pink candies? That's my pink moonstone, beaming with love. Look at its chubbiness. Beautiful plant, beautiful. I just pray to God that I can keep you protected from the rain, etc. etc. Now look at that. This is the reason why I had shared my kitchen bowl with this cute fellow. Look at it, how it is growing in all directions. Wow, just wonderful, beautiful. Look at that. It's giving out branches in all directions. Finally, my PVN is growing, although it has lost its color due to the summer heat, but the size has increased and I am happy with that. That's my wandering Jew. This is the cutting I had taken from the mother plant which my cousin had given me, and it has grown quite big. There's a reason why I'm showing you this plant again. I'll tell you. Again, moving back to PVN. Beautiful plant. And the cutie again, giving out numerous offshoots. Candy pink. My moonstones. Watermelon peperomia. What a beauty. That's my peperomia, a beautifully colored plant. Beautiful. Moving on to our marble queen pothos, the queen as the name suggests. And here is my peace lily which I have repotted, and I'm sure I'll get beautiful blooms from it the coming year. Now let's move ahead to this plant. Wandering Jew. I need to take a cutting from this plant because the main plant which was hanging on my window has been stolen by someone. Yes, stolen. And I was in a shock. Then suddenly I remembered, oh no, I have one pot right on the terrace. So I have found out a solution to protect my heart from the jhatkas that we get, that is jod ka jhatka, so that it comes dheere se. I am going to have at least 2 pots of the same plant, so that if a thief, yes, a thief steals my plants, at least I will have a plant with me. So this is the reason I'm taking a cutting and I am going to plant it so that the jod ka jhatka comes dheere se. So friends, this is it for today. Do not forget to share, subscribe and comment to the like button if you found the video interesting. If you are new to our channel, take a moment to subscribe and stay tuned for more of interesting videos. So till we meet again, it is bye-bye.